Okay. A very good morning to my lecturer, Madam Fazlin binti Shuraimi. My name is Muhammad Nova bin Alias, and my matrix number is 01DPU to 0F1019, and my friend's name is.
My name is Muhammad Aswad bin Razlan. My metric number 01DPU20F1018.
Okay, today we are going to present to you a description of a bar graph entitled The Atmosphere Composition Between the Year 2014 and 2017.
As you can see from the graph, there are substances included in the atmosphere composition, namely ozone, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. For the y-axis, it's represent the amount of particle in unit pound per million or ppm, while the s-axis represent the year from 2014 to 2017.
Okay, thank you, Ashwat. Okay, let's start with the analysis of the bar graph. Okay, first of all, let me start the analysis of the graph for the ozone substance. In 2014 and 2015, the ozone particle came in second highest behind carbon monoxide in both years. In 2014, the ozone particle accumulated 0.0429 particle per million pound per million molecules, but there was a slight increase in 2015 with the amount of 0.0435 pound per million molecules. Okay, secondly, in 2016, the ozone particle recorded the highest with the amount of 0.118 pound per million molecules. However, in 2017, it decreased more than half compared to the previous year with the amount of 0.058 pound per million molecules. After that, I will continue with the bar graph analysis for sulfur dioxide substance. From 2014 to 2016, the accumulated amount for sulfur dioxide remained unchanged for those 3 years. In the fourth year, which is 2017, the sulfur dioxide dropped nearly a tenth with the total amount of 0.015 pound per million molecules. Ashwat will continue with the fourth analysis. You may continue.
Thank you to Naufal. For following that, I will give the data for the substance nitrogen dioxide, which recorded the largest amount of particle in the atmosphere composition among the 4 years in 2016. In 2017, the lowest amount of particle in the atmosphere composition was observed. Meanwhile, the amount of the particle in the atmosphere composition was particularly identical in 2014 and 2015. And finally, the carbon monoxide substance shown 0.027 forgive me, shown 0.0723 ppm pound per million in 2014, then slightly decreased to 0.0618 pound per million in 2015. And the particle in atmosphere composition reading continued to drop in 2016, reaching 0.0558 pound per million. In addition, the measurement increased somewhat in 2017 from 0.0558 pound per million to 0.0819 pound per million. So I give back to the Naufal.
Okay, the following slide shows the analysis according to the year for the classification of each substance. Okay, this is for 2014, 2015, 2016, and finally 2017. For the conclusion, I will hand it back to Ashwat. You may continue.
For the conclusion, based on our analysis, in every year, nitrogen dioxide is the least in comparison to other substances. And furthermore, carbon monoxide is the highest ranking in quantity beyond the other substance.
Okay, so thank you. That is the end of our presentation. We sure hope you enjoy the presentation. Thank you very much
Thank you very
and
much.
Assalamualaikum.